A 7.7 magnitude earthquake struck Myanmar on Friday, March 28, 2025, leaving behind a trail of devastation, destruction, and despair. More than 1,000 people are confirmed dead, but experts fear the true toll could exceed 10,000 lives as rescue efforts continue. The quake struck at approximately 12:50 p.m. local time, shaking cities across Myanmar and neighboring Thailand. The tremors sent buildings swaying in Bangkok, while in Myanmar, entire structures crumbled in an instant. The impact of the earthquake is much more than what was anticipated earlier. The force of this earthquake was so powerful that it released energy equivalent to 334 atomic bombs, according to geologist Jess Phoenix. The earth shattering impact is a result of the Indian tectonic plate colliding with the Eurasian plate beneath Myanmar. Scientists warn that aftershocks could continue for months, further complicating relief efforts in an already war torn country. Myanmar has been ravaged by civil war for the past 4 years. A military coup in 2021 plunged the nation into violent conflict, leaving infrastructure in shambles. Now, as the country struggles with communication blackouts and political unrest, aid workers are finding it nearly impossible to reach those in need. Among the many historical structures impacted by the quake is Mandalay Palace, the last royal residence of the Burmese monarchy. Built in the 19th century, it has now suffered serious damage, with several key structures collapsing. Relief efforts are underway, but the scale of the disaster is overwhelming. Countries across the world are stepping in to provide aid, but with roads destroyed and power lines down, delivering help remains a monumental challenge. This was one of the most powerful earthquakes to hit the region in recent history. The aftershocks could continue for weeks or even months. The situation remains critical. India on Saturday delivered 15 tons of relief materials to Myanmar under its Operation Brahma that was launched after the earthquake hit the neighboring country as well as Thailand. India sent the relief materials in a C-130J military transport aircraft of the Indian Air Force. The supplies included tents, sleeping bags, blankets, ready-to-eat meals, water purifiers, solar lamps, generator sets, and essential medicines. Two more IAF aircraft are being loaded with relief material for Myanmar, and the planes will depart from Hindon Air Force Station soon. Myanmar is facing an unprecedented humanitarian crisis. Stay tuned for more updates.